So, late na naman kami. 1:30 na. Grabe. So, I saw a deep sleep melatonin sugar bear when we went to one of the malls in Causeway Bay. There's a shop called Log On, and then it's a shop full of different interesting items, travel, decoration, bags, whatever. It's a cute store. Then I saw this sugar bear, and then since I'm struggling in sleep lately, I decided to buy it since Hubbee doesn't want me to struggle anymore, so puputi in getting some sleep. We decided to buy it, and last night we tried it and it worked. Parang a few minutes pa lang tulog na ako. We're back here at Dim Sum here for lunch. Our favorite store. Ang dami tao. So we're here at Dim Sum here again. It's our favorite here in Hong Kong, and we're gonna have late lunch, very late lunch. As usual, same order as the last time. It's our favorite, but this time we're going to be added siomai. Wala pa, ito pa lang sa marating. So we're here now at West Kowloon. This is where M Plus is located. M Plus is a museum of visual culture. It's very creative and artistic here. Just looking at the design of the building, it looks different. I think this is a space for artistic people. That's so nice. Less people here, which is nice. Lalabas din ako. Ito na lang, egg waffle. My favorite. I'm gonna get this.
Can I get signature egg waffle? Yes, one. And orange juice.
Never-ending egg waffle.
Is it good? Always good, right?
Always good.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Love it. It's the opening of the art installation today here at West Kowloon. I love that there's some music. Cute! Marina! Saya! Cute! Ang cute ng mga balloons. Pakulay ko siya. Chilling out here in front of the very colorful balloons and in front of the harbor. This is the best part. Just watching people, watching the harbor, watching all the ships sailing by, watching the beautiful skylines of Hong Kong. We love Hong Kong. So from M+, we're gonna go walk straight here, going to, because Hubbee wants to eat at his favorite restaurant where he loved Taiwanese beef noodles. So if you go straight, turn right, that's where it is. It's a walk, so we're just gonna take it slow. Walking, 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 walking. There's the restaurant. Almost there. Ngayon hindi natin alam ang pangalan ng restaurant natin.
Oh, Taiwan beef noodle.
2 steps closer, Hubbee.
I can help my Taiwanese noodle.
Ang pangalan niya?
Taiwan beef noodle.
Chinese kitchen. It was a long walk, but it was a good walk. It's malamig. We're gonna order and I was so hungry. Like hungry. Good thing medyo okay na ako kasi hindi, I won't be able to walk that long. Like nilakad namin. Yung mga miss namin dito sa Hong Kong, mga moments na lalakad lang kami. Malamig yung panahon. Wala pang.
And this one. This one, small.
Okay.
A small.
Oh.
This one. And plain rice. Yes, one.
Dim rice?
Yes.
One.
Do you have fried rice?
How much do you get?
But for one person?
Ah, that's too many. No. So good. This is the Taiwan milk tea.
Hubbee, why do you keep ordering that?
Because I love it. Because it's beef and it tastes so good.
5-star.
Yes. And this is my favorite. Buns lang. Walang laman sa loob. And look at the beef.
Grabe.
I love beef.
With the dinner, walking lang here at nakita na namin itong Long Fong Mall. Ito na naman tayo. Budol again.
The mall?
Love Muji. I'm obsessing again. Ang daming pwedeng mabili. So happy, finally. Ang hinahanap kong pajama na naka-sale sa Bangkok na nabili ko na nagustuhan ko, which is this. Naka-sale din siya dito pero mas mahal lang siya ng konti din sa sale price sa Bangkok. Pero if you compare this sale price here sa regular price sa Bangkok, mas mura to. So, bili na ako na isa. Wala na ibang color to lang. We're done at Muji and I think it's time to go back to the hotel. It's past 9 p.m. already and I'm out of battery also. Try mo yung brown. I like it. So perfect. That's the one. Options are this. All are good. But if you're gonna choose one, this one. Finally, after how many attempts of going to MLB here in Hong Kong, nabili na rin siya. Finally, tapos na ang kanyang masalimuot na journey with MLB. Yes, naman. Nabili na rin niya sa wakas. Happy? Ah, yabang. And we're back at GU. Walang kamatayang GU. Hubbee will look for something here. We're back at Mira Place. This is our favorite GU shop here in Hong Kong. I think this is the biggest, if I'm not wrong. Time to pay. Bodol again from GU. Release. Nagko-close na. Dati, Hubbee. Run. Grabe. Last minute, hora. Nagsaran ka na. We're here now at the Nathan building. The restaurant here is quite decent. It's time to go to Kennedy Road.
ito yung parang famous spot nila dito. So, ang daming nag-aabang.
I feel like all the fashionistas are here in Kennedy Road. We're here now at Arabica.
Oh, yeah, some ice cream for you.
Hingi na ako. We're gonna check this A1 bakery. So we're back here at Hubbie's just buying some water there. We're here in Mongkok now. This is what I'm gonna get only here at GU this time. Dahil walang nagustuhan si Abby, hindi niya nagustuhan yung mga finit niya. Hindi ko na lang binili yung socks.